Hello everyone, my name is Vidya Deshmukh, lecturer in mathematics from CSMSS College of Polytechnic. Today we are going to learn differential equation. The study of differential equation is very important to solve the various engineering related problems. The definition of a differential equation: an equation that involves one or more derivatives or differentials is called the differential equation. The example of a differential equation is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx is equals to sin x. Now the types of differential equation. There are two types of differential equation. First is ordinary differential equation that involve the derivatives of a function of a single variable, and the second is partial differential equation that involve the derivative of a function of more than one variable. Now we move towards the order and degree of differential equation. The first definition is order. The order of highest derivative present in the given differential equation determines the order of differential equation. The second definition is the degree of differential equation. Degree is the maximum or exponent power of highest derivative determines the degree of differential equation. But that equation is free from the radical signs and it is cleared by fractions with in the dependent variable and its derivative. Now we can calculate the degree and order of differential equation. Now we move towards some examples on the degree and order of differential equation. The first example is find the order and degree of differential equation d2y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx whole square minus 6y equals to 0. Now in the solution, write down first of all the given differential equation, that is d2y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx whole square minus 6y equals to 0. The highest derivative is d2y by dx square, and therefore the order of the given equation is 2. Now for the degree, the highest or maximum power of d2y by dx square is 1, and so the degree of a given differential equation is 1. Now example second. Find the order and degree of differential equation under the root d cube y upon dx cube plus dy by dx is equals to 1. So the given differential equation is under the root d cube y upon dx cube plus dy by dx equals to y. Hence the highest derivative present in the given equation is d cube y upon dx cube, and therefore the order of differential equation is 3. Now for the degree, squaring the equation on both sides, we get under the root d cube y upon dx cube whole square plus dy by dx square is equals to y square. Now by simplifying, d cube y upon dx cube plus dy by dx whole square is equals to y square. So the maximum power of highest derivative d cube y upon dx cube is 1. Hence the degree of differential equation is 1. Now the example third. Find the order and degree of d2y by dx square equals to cube root of 1 plus dy by dx. So in the solution, in the given differential equation d2y by dx square is equals to cube root of 1 plus dy by dx, the highest derivative in that equation is d2y by dx square. Therefore, the order of differential equation is 2. Now, for the degree of differential equation, taking a cube on both sides, so we get d2y by dx square whole cube is equals to cube root of 1 plus dy by dx whole cube. So by simplifying, the maximum power of a d2y by dx square is 3, and hence the degree of differential equation is 3.